Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to convert MP4 to MP3 on iPhone for free. Let's begin. So, in order to convert MP4 to MP3 on iPhone for free, you have to follow these steps. First, head over to the App Store and search for a free app like Media Converter, MP3 Converter, Audio Extractor, or Video to MP3 Converter. These apps are lightweight, safe, and work perfectly on iOS. Once you install one of them, open the app and allow permissions to access your files. Next, select the MP4 video you want to convert from your gallery or Files app. After choosing the file, pick MP3 as the output format, and if the app gives options, you can also adjust the audio quality and bitrate. Finally, hit Convert, and the app will process the file and save the MP3 version on your iPhone, usually under the Converted Files section inside the app or directly into your Files app. If you don't want to install any app, you can use an online converter directly from Safari. Open your browser and search for this website called Convertio. Once it's loaded, click on Choose Files, then tap on Photo Library, and choose a video you want. I'm just going to choose this one. Now, as the output format, if you click on that, you'll see a lot of options. From here, select Audio, and then choose MP3 since that's what we want. After that, click on Convert at the bottom, and it will start converting your file. Once it's done, just click on Download, and then again on Download in the prompt. The file will be saved, and if you go to your downloads, you'll see that it is now an MP3 file. And that's it. So that's basically how you can convert MP4 to MP3 on iPhone for free. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.